Good. Okay, turn right. Very good. Turn right. Come in low. Low.
Low?
Low. Cut the power off. Almost completely. Let it dive. Let it dive. That's how you're going to come in for landing. Okay? Now, stabilize. Level flight. Power. 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 There you go. Go around. Very good. Okay, go all the way to the hangar. Right there. Up a little bit. Right turn. That's how you stall. Be careful. Cut the power off completely. And dive. Dive. This is not a good landing, so go around. Stabilize. Level flight. Power. Power. Very good. Go again to the end. Maintain that altitude. That altitude. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low. Keep it low. Go a lot longer. A lot longer. Now, do a left turn or right turn is fine.
Oh, crap, come on.
You're stalling.
I am?
Good. Now, come this way. Cut the power off. Cut it off completely.
Off.
Get out of the way. Land it nicely. Land it nicely. You're not gonna put full power. Go around. Good. Good recovery. Very good. Very good. Go further down.
Oh, sorry.
All the way. All the way. Low altitude. Keep right turn. Cut the power off. Cut it off right now.
It's off.
Dive. 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 Align it on the runway. Flare up, flare up, flare up. Oh, yes.